What aspect of planning do your customers prioritize today?
Today, customers using CCH Tagetik primarily prioritize accuracy, agility, and integration in their planning processes. With rapidly changing market conditions, they need real-time insight and the ability to quickly adapt plans. Integrating financial and operational planning to ensure consistency across departments is also a key priority, along with improved forecasting capabilities and scenario modeling.
What are 3 steps to set up a robust planning process?
To establish a robust and agile planning processes, organizations typically follow these 3 key steps. Unify data and systems, integrate data from across the organization into a single source of truth to ensure consistency and transparency. Standardize and automate workflows. Use built-in best practice and automation to streamline planning, budgeting, and forecasting processes. Enable real-time collaboration. Empower business users to collaborate in real time using role-based access and intuitive interfaces to ensure alignment and accountability.
How do you see the future of the planning function?
The planning function is expected to become increasingly predictive, continuous, and business-driven. Traditional static annual planning will give way to rolling forecasts and real-time scenario analysis. With AI and machine learning, planning will shift from being reactive to proactive, proving strategic insight to guide decision-making. Planners will play a more central role in shaping business strategy across departments.
How can CCH Tagetik help customers elevate their planning capabilities?
CCH Tagetik elevates planning capabilities by offering an integrated, scalable platform that supports financial and operational planning, forecasting, and scenario analysis. Its powerful analytic information hub and AI-powered predictive intelligence allow businesses to model complex scenarios, make data-driven decisions, and respond quickly to changes. With built-in industry solutions and a flexible cloud-based infrastructure, CCH Tagetik helps organizations improve planning accuracy, enhance collaboration, and drive better performance outcomes.